Hello everyone, welcome to Sthir Wellness. This is the second part in the series of Easy Prenatal Yoga, wherein I have shared very simple and basic stretches, breath work and meditation which can be done throughout the pregnancy. So let's begin. The following tips are very generic in nature. Kindly consult your gynecologist or your physician before trying anything on your own. This is not a medical opinion and should be practiced at personal discretion. I suggest you to follow the first part of the series, the link to which is at the top right corner and in the description box. We will begin with sitting postures. Avoid sitting on flat ground and sit on a comfortable cushioned surface. First is a preparatory pose. Point your right knee to the ceiling, left knee on the ground. Place your right palm on the right knee. Press the left knee on the ground with your left hand. Breathe soft and easy. Change direction. Press the right knee down with the right hand. You can repeat from both the sides few times. Relax, come in Baddha Konasana or butterfly, join the soles of your feet and gently press your knees down. Now hold your toes and flap your knees few times, keeping your shoulders and neck relaxed. Keep breathing soft and easy throughout and relax. Next, a very gentle spinal twist. Fold your legs and face both the feet to your left side. Touch the right foot sole on the left thigh. Inhaling, stretch both the arms up. Exhaling, place your left hand on the right knee, right hand behind your back and twist back. Go according to your capacity. Look as far as it's comfortable. Even if you feel comfortable twisting only till your side, that's also okay. And now change side, face both the feet to your right side. Inhaling, both the arms up. Exhaling, twist back from the left side. Look back. Breathe for few times. Inhaling, come back. You can repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times from each side. Next, a sitting side stretch, keeping your right leg folded. Open your left leg as far as it's comfortable. Inhaling, stretch both the arms up. Exhaling, bend down towards your left toe. Reach for the toe or as far as you can comfortably go. Hold this position for few breaths. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Your shoulders and neck are relaxed. Inhaling, come back. Change side. Fold your left leg in. Open your right leg. Inhaling, both the arms up. Exhaling, bend down towards your right side. Be very gentle with yourself. You can either look upward or forward, whatever is comfortable. It's very important that you practice according to your capacity. Even if you feel that you can stretch a lot, even if you feel that you're very flexible, start slowly and don't push too hard. All the stretches in this video are very beneficial for improving the flexibility of the pelvic girdle. All the muscles around your pelvic region tend to become stiff over time. These exercises are incredible to increase and improve the blood flow around your pelvic area. Be easy with yourself and continue to breathe comfortably. Make sure you don't hold your breath at any point. Stretch your legs forward, your knees and feet together. Back pressed against the wall. Inhaling, stretch your arms up, straighten your posture. Exhaling, arms down. Point your toes and push your heels out few times. Rotate your ankles each side. Now keeping your shoulders, neck and back relaxed and straight, open your legs just a little bit. Keeping your toes pointed towards the ceiling, your palms are in front of you, your back is straight. Then open your legs a little more with the aid of your hands. Continue breathing, your back is straight. And stretch your legs a little more, go according to your capacity, don't push too hard. Hold for a few breaths and slowly bring your legs back together. Hit your legs on the ground, relax your legs and sit comfortably. Next, sit wherever you feel comfortable. Join your palms in Namaskar Mudra. Place them in the middle of your chest. Breathe soft and easy. Repeat any mantra of your choice. It's very crucial to remain in a positive frame of mind during these times. Sit easily. Keep your facial muscles soft and relaxed. Your wrists resting on your knees. Eyes closed. Focus on your breath. Remain in this state for as long as it feels good, or at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll be seeing you very soon with another video. Take care of yourself meanwhile and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.